आइगी मिंग विड्रोम लोलिनी आइना क्लास 11 अमदी 12 की एजुकेशन सब्जेक्ट असिबु ताक्सगनी। हेलो एवरीवन, अखोइना ममांगी क्लास सिंगदा एजुकेशन की तोंगान तोंगान बा मीनिंग अमदी महाकी प्रोसेस महाकी फंक्शंस एंड स्कोप न सिंगबा सिंग असि नैना खरबा मतुंगदा ngasi टॉपिक ओइना अखोइना नैना गदोरिबा असि वैल्यू एजुकेशन हाइबसिगी मतंगदनी। वैल्यू एजुकेशन से करीनो हाइबसी नैना ड्रिंगी ममांगदा अखोइना वैल्यू करीनो हाइबदी व्हाट इज द मीनिंग ऑफ वैल्यू और व्हाट इज वैल्यू हाइबसे हाना खंगबा मथौ ताई। अखोइना इन आवर कॉमन सेंस वैल्यू असे अखोइना क्वालिटी ऑफ एन इंडिविजुअल और क्वालिटी ऑफ ए थिंग हाइबनी हाइबदी द मोस्ट इंपोर्टेंट यूजफुल एंड नीडफुल ओइबा पोट अमगी नत्रगा मीदुगी क्वालिटी अदुबो अखोइना वैल्यू नि हाइना लवी। दैट इज व्हाई द degree of importance of something or action is value हाइबनी। In educational point of view, value signifies neither a thing or an individual, but value is a thought or a point of view हाइबदी education की लाइन दे येंगागदी अखोइना वैल्यू हाइबसे अखोइना मी नत्रगा पोट अदुगी क्वालिटी अदुबु नते अखोइना असिगी क्वालिटी असे अखोइना आइडियल्स प्रिंसिपल्स थॉट नत्रगा करिगुंबा आई मी अमदुद लेजरीबा मागी याम आइडियल ओइबा फ्रीडम निंगाई ओइबा मचचिंग अदुबुनी हाइबा याय। That is why value is an abstract as well as an idealistic concept. This value needs deep realization and understanding in individual's mind and experience. Aduna value haibasi akoina yamna haibada example oina pibada masimangni haiduna akoina mitmangda puthokna utpa yadaba adugumba yam abstract oiba idea amani haibasini. Therefore values are the things we strive for. This is the things that guide our behavior and put meaning into our existence. Value hai se aikoina aikoigi yauningi ba pandam ama yaunana ba akoina strive toriba hotnariba desire goal adubuni haina aikoina in education and point of view da aikoina lawiyai. According to R.K. Mukherjee, values are socially approved desires and goals that are internalized through the process of conditioning, learning or socialization, and that become subjective preferences, standard and aspiration. R.K. Mukherjee na haibase akoi value haibase this is our desire, this is our goals haibani. This goal or desire is the result of the conditioning, learning and socialization gi process tagi phangapani haibani. And asigumba value sing asida aikoina subjective preference and standard and aspiration haiba awangba quality sing asisu yawi haibani. Aduna aikoina value asi mapung phana खंगनबगी दमकता अखोना वैल्यू की कैरेक्टरिस्टिक्स खजितांग अमु नैनादुना यंगसी। नंबर 1, एनीथिंग वैल्यूएबल, इंपोर्टेंट एंड यूजफुल ऑन ऑब्जेक्टिव और सब्जेक्टिव कंसिडरेशन ऑफ ह्यूमन माइंड मे बी सेट एज वैल्यू। अखोना मतंग असिदा पलिबसी ऑब्जेक्टिव एंड सब्जेक्टिव कंसिडरेशन ऑफ वैल्यूज हाइबसनी। अखोना नैनादुना यंगसी सब्जेक्टिव consideration of values and objective consideration of values हाइबसे। This subjective consideration of values is determined on the basis of ideas, ideals, thought and judgment. For example, helping the poor aikoina lairaba awa ana taraba mi amada makoida nungsibiduna sanbiduna makoigi mateng pangbiba, this is the value. This is also one of the value. This type of value or this consideration of value is subjective value. And objective consideration of value habasna aikoina it is based or determined on the basis of numerical facts. That is akoina numerical kaigumba khara phangba akoina concrete oiba pot khara phangba haibani. This for example akoi day laborer mana nongmagi thabak suruba mana surubagi khuchumala se some khara phangi kamaina in terms of money, in terms of rupees. That shigi value asi mangonda yamna yami asi mamal yami. This is so important and this is so valuable and useful to him. This type of consideration of value is objective consideration of value. And aduna akoina value ki next characteristics da akoina the ideal oiba mayamna khwaidagi hen hainaraba truth, beauty and goodness haiba asuki matik mioibegi mind gi asuki matik yam ideal oiriba value sing asa it is included in the subjective consideration of value. And next characteristics is the new sense of value is acquired through education and training. This value is not inherited. Akoi value habase akoina inherited oirakpa kain quality amanate masigi value ase akoina education na training na akoina social environment ge aina tawzaruba aina hona zaruba adugi matung ina phangakpa mayamna aingonda pibiba aingonda leijaba aingonda khanjaba adugi value quality natraga usefulness oiba adubuni habane. Aduna akoina punna value gi meaning ase khangaba matunga seda asigumba value quality akoi ki societies da leiriba adugumba value ne haina launariba value gi makhal sing adu amungtang nainaduna yengsi. Next topic is now types of value or classification of value. Akoina value ase akoina makhal kaya marum thokna nainaduna yengba yai asigumba value ase akoina day to day life ka mari lainana leiba adugumba values ngakani. Number 1 da social value hai. Social value hai se akoi society siga da lainaba akoi gi society sigi leijariba social rules, social regulation, custom, tradition and culture ga mari lainaba adudagi ga mari lainaba values ngakani. Some social values khara khudam oina palabada social conformity, social discipline, social sensitiveness, social justice, social feeling and we feeling happiness sing asini. Akoi society da laiminari ba akoi society gi people sing sida akoi punna laiminabagi adjustment gi adagi akoi punna thabak tawminabagi nungsi chanana laiminabagi aduga akoi life ki awa ana sharing tawnaba adagi amana amada kari hani amana amagi interest ta sokpa tawnadabana singba magi ideal amamam da lainaba social society gi kaino rules and regulations singak na lainaba adugumba machat adubu ekoina social values haina kaune. And next value is moral value. Moral value is determined on the basis of moral senses and the sentiment of right and wrong, good and bad, and the virtues and vice. Haibadi moral value haibasidi akoigi moral character bu semkat chagapada yamna saungna mateng pangba mi obagi machat aduni asigumba moral value ase karamaina lepke har kana moral akoina achum aran bu khangdokpa ngamba akoigi deep reason tawba ngamba aduga akoi afaba phattaba singbu akoina judgment tawba ngamba adugumba awang bathaki wakhalon adubuni akoina moral values hairise. Some of the moral values singdi moral values singi manung chanba akoigi qualities, that is machat singi honesty, truthfulness, good character and conduct and moral stability and kindness also. Hairiba honesty hairiba good character senba aphabalam cha saja tawba honesty minung si sauba akoi kindness oiba aduga forgiveness oiba adugumba mayam si akoi moral character sing moral values sigi manung chanba mebagi lamchat sing machat sing ne. Next economic values hai. Economic values implies market price including all perceivable things. Economic values haibasidi akoina akoigi pot aman bu kaithel da yonariba magi mamal haidi paisa pi badugi matung ina laiba pot ki mamal adugi matung ina laiba adugumba value aduni masigi value asi akoina karamaina determine tawge hakanda magi profit kumba loss kumba adugi matung ina pot adugi value se lei aduna economic values haibasi akoina market ta phangiba economic goods sing asigi value adubune. And next aesthetic values. Aesthetic values haibasidi akoina yamna artful chances of truth, beauty and the goodness oiba adugumba artful chances oiba akoigi truth haiba, beauty haiba, goodness haiba yamna ideal oiba su upa concept asani. This akoigi mioibagi wakhal da leijariba akoigi yamna artful oiba dance, drama, music and adagi painting na singba adugumba dalaiba adugumba phajaba achumba adagi asengba adubuni akoina aesthetic beauty haise. Not only this, nature beauty of nature also included these aesthetic values. And next value asi religious and spiritual values. Religious and spiritual values hai se akhona dharma amadi ishor ga yamna naknaba adugum values amani akhona ishor bu yamna se na thajaba mana ningjari ba ishor dubu natraga magi dharma dubu du yamna lupjaba aduda leiba akhoi value adubuni sigumba value sing adudi worshipping and prayer, devotion and commitment to that which one believe haibani akhona tawriba aigi dharma aigi ishor aina ningjariba aduda pukning lupsaba aduda leiriba value adugi mamal adubuni akhona staida religious and spiritual values haibase. Next cultural values. Cultural values haibasida akhona culture and cultural heritage kamari lainaba values ni. Culture habadi akhona people group of people magi tradition magi way of living magi dressing the way that they communicate akhoi mokhigi the level of their living standard nasingba all these are included culture mogi tradition mogi economic condition mogi social status asin basing ase culture damarung chali adugumba culture mogi tradition sing ado generation to generation mayam preserve tawrakpa adagi di in conserve tawrakpa adugumba gi wakhalon du da leiba adugi importance adubuni sawaida cultural values hairibase akhona matanga sida value gi haibasi karino amadi value gi tongan ba makhal sing asi khangminnaraba matung asida akhona hojik lakadori ba asi meaning of value education haibasni. Value education is the process through which the individual give values to each other. Value education haibasi akhona hairiba mathakta haikriba tongan ba values akhogi life ta thengnari ba life ta yamna maru oi ba oina leiriba ideals mayam asibu akhoi amada piba pithokpa haibani sam na har kana pithokpa means transmit tauba or kahani impart tauba haibani ko. And then it is the education about the ideals of society deems interest. This is about the social ideals. Education about the social ideals haibadi society sida leiriba tongan ba ideals sing haibadi aikhoi gi society gi ngaktaba yadaba leitaba yadaba masak sing ase aikhoi gi angang sing asida teaching learning process that impart to hanba inculcate to hanba haibani. And the aim of this education is to cultivate ultimate values like moral, spiritual, aesthetic and social etc. akhona value education asigi yamna ultimate aim yamna khwaidagi hena mapung phaba khwaidagi hena tawdaba yadaba aim ase akhona leiriba societies da leiriba moral values, social values, aesthetic values and spiritual values haiba tongan ba values sing asibu angang sing asida khanghan ba masigi ideals mayam asibu ngaktuna lehenba ngamna ba hotna ba asni. Aduna di value education haibase akhona tongan ba values sing haibadi social, moral, spiritual and aesthetic values asibu inculcate tawdabagidamakta aikogi education oina system da curriculum da hapsan biduna tongan ba subject mayam hapsan biduna angang sing asida asigumba values sing asibu inculcate tawhanba aduna in this regard according to C.B. Good, value education is the aggregate of all the process by means of which a person develops skills, attitude and other forms of behavior of the positive rules in the society in which he lives. Aduna C.B. Good na hairiba value education gi definition asigi matungina value education hairiba yamna value based education oiraba dugumba education asna individual style amabu magi potential ase realize tawbang amhali adugumba realize tawriba potential ado karigidamakta nu harakanda to achieve higher in life aikogi punsigi standard se adu yamna wangkhatna thak wangkhatna leinaba gidamakta aikoina isagi potentials sing adu khangjahanbani habani. And not only this, value education ase aikoina punsida la hanga sai high kriba value sing ase khanghan batana tana in our practical life ta hariba value sing ase aikoina practical life ta aina tawjariba thabak khuding bak asada application ngamba loinana aingonda narrow mindedness and the selfish ki idea puna maksibu lehandaba ngamba adugumba education makal amani havani. That is why value education is known as value oriented education. That means value education have say akoina atopa term amada value oriented education have haina su kongnai haibadi value si yamna inculcate toba value the base toba education haina su akoina kongnai. Aduna here is some needs and importance of value education. Mathangda akoina khanagadoriba nainagadoriba asi value education have sigi need and importance have sini. Some of the importance are: number 1, value education helps to eliminate obscurantism, religious fanaticism, violence, superstitions, and fatalism. Tasengnamak value education habase mi oibada yamna phajaba achumba amadi aphaba qualities ideals mayam ama lehenbani aduna maram oirakanda obscurantism habadi spreading of facts singse wrongly spread toba habani obscurantism habadi akogi facts singsibu akoina spread tobagi against the laiba habani akoi achumba sinam dara kanda aranbana kupsalakpa gumba adugumba gi wakalon adubu removes tawi habani. And religious fanaticism dharma gi oiba yam orthodox oiba yamna outdated oiba beliefs mayam dubusu ngasagi value based education asna karma khaidi remove tawi. Not only this, violence, superstitions, and the fatalism habadi akoi violence habadi khanda chaina ba hatna ba adugumba gi wakalon and wrong beliefs. Not only adudanatana wrong beliefs asisu sai value education asna akoina remove toba ngami habani. Number 2, value based education develop a well adjusted personality in the students. Yes, personality development is one of the main aim of imparting education. Angang amagi personality development lehan bahabase akoina education gi modern education asigi yamna sauba aim amani aduna ngasagi value education asana personality habadi the way we express what we feel, the way we do what we wish. Akoina tawningi ba hainingi ba punamak asibu akoina manifest tawbanga ba so tawbanga ba in any circumstances, in any situation da so tawbanga ba adugumba quality adubuni adugumba quality ase makhal kayamukta lai madudi akogi physical activities da akogi social activities da intellectual activities da moral activities da tongan lai asigumba personality ase yamna develop tawhanbada ngasagi value education asina mayamna sound mateng pangi habani. Next number is this education can create certain good citizens in society. Akoi good citizen ama habase yamna important oi akoina good citizen ama ohenba habase this value education is very helpful because akoida individual child amada individual people amada individual learner amada ngasagi ideals which is accepted by the society, which is accepted by the nation or the state to the pami ba ideals darkar oriba ideals mayam do develop tawhanba habase develop value education ni aduna value education asi na akoina society amagi good citizen or good people ase ohenba ngami habane. Next is sense of freedom, equality, fraternity, and social justice can be promoted in our youth through this education. This value education, not only the good in society, good citizen in society to gi good citizen oibadana tana akoigi laibak adugi yamna sauba laibak amagi akoi Indian akoi country gi yamna sauba ideals habadi democratic ideals habadi equality, justice, fraternity and liberty haba. That is adubusu akoina yamna sauna ngasai value education haisna ngaktuna thamba asu promote tawhanbada ngaktuna thamba masibu kaihandana thambada yamna sauna mateng pangi habane. And next point, they may develop good traits and qualities of character in them. Value education na individual amagi or learner amagi or angang amagi character development da yamna sauna mateng pangi character habase ekhoina yamna maru oiba mio bagi life da magi social kaino da social life da magi individual life da ya magi every work of life da akhoi gi mio bagi kaino sibu tawgadori ba thabak asibu mamai chumbangamba adugumba machat amani adugumba character asi value education asna afaba character Bangami, aduga good qualities tongan be lamda tongan be spear da afaba character ama ohan bangami havene. Next, development of the sense of truth, justice, and the tolerance, etc., are the outcome of value-based education. Aikoida ngasagi truth, justice haiba, aikoigi justice haiba, aikoigi judgment, discrimination, and then tolerance na chingba qualities mayam ase value based education asna purakpa ngamhalli habane. Next importance is the negative attitude, outlook, malicious behavior, destructive and unsocial tendencies may also be removed through this education. Aduna value education asana mi oibagi yam negative attitude habadi akoi unwanted behaviors mayam se unwanted behaviors akoi gi haigadaba tawgadaba mayam ama taruktaba akoi gi society gi against the lakpa mayang gi against the lakpa masana masabu manghanjaba gumba afaba wakal khalaktaba afaba thabak taruktaba that are included its negative attitude and malicious behavior di amaga yengthinaba yamna kalaknaba jealousy leinaba adagi yamna maanga sunu haidana khatna chainaba gumba yamna manghan takhanba adugumba feelings mayam se can be removed into a socially desirable way. And last point is value education can develop good taste, arouse humanitarian and spiritual sense in man's life. Value education asana aikoi love of mankind, service for mankind, and survival for the mankind. Haiba yamna sauba amiyobagi quality asibu develop tohonba ngami haibane. Next topic is how to give value education in school. Value education ase asukimatik modern society sida modern education sida asukimatik yam important oiba ama oibanina akoina huzik tamnari by school ki curriculum sida da value education values sing sibu life ki values abayam asibu akoina inculcate tawba ngamba akoina curriculum ama frame tawba darkar tai. Aduna hariba curriculum asida aikoina tongan ba programs tongan ba activities should be included for inculcating values. Number 1 da giving moral education. Aikoina moral character phagatna ba education piba. That this include moral habadi aikoina mi amagi wakhalon afaba wakhalon lamcha chajat phajaba adagidi wangang sangang phajaba tongan ba area da magi tawgadaba thabak masak khangba sida singba sing asini. Aduna this moral education is the basis for the formation of character. Aduna ekoina school curriculum sidaida tongan ba activities sing like moral development tongna ba tongan ba activities sing habadi prayer gumba group prayer group singing and then instrumental music na sing ba hapsan biduna angang sing asibu makogi moral character phajaba angang amamam oina ba samgat piba mathau tai. Not only this, observation of the imminent or maming lairaba tongan ba bharat ke amadi tongan ba aphau ba mi ke yagi punsi wari makoina tawramba thabak makoina phajaba putholamba makoigi character lamcha sajatna singba utpa adugumba lessons sing na singba sing asi makoida moral education pina bagi damakta akai curriculum and the co-curricular activities sing manung chanba ama ohenba tangai fade. Next, culture of literature and music. Culture of literature and music have a school curriculum da yahon biduna angang singe value education pinaba honaba yamna tangai fade. Culture habadi akoina mamang dasu aina haikre culture habadi mioi kanglu kharagi makoigi custom tradition makoigi socio cultural heritage society gi tonga ba masak sing adubuni adugumba culture adugi literature habadi ekoina tonga wari saireng lyric novel na chingba tonga ba and then music na singba sing ase happy duna angang sing asibu akoida aesthetic कइनो सिंग से एस्थेटिक वैल्यू सिंग से हेनकन बगी दमकता लम लम दुगी नत्रगा कम्युनिटी दुगी सोसाइटी दुगी कल्चर ग मरी लेनाबा लिटरेचर ग मरी लेनाबा म्यूजिक ग मरी लेनाबा लेसन सिंग असिबो हापी दुना आंगांग सिंगदा वैल्यू लेबा एजुकेशन अमा पीबा हबसिसु यामना तंगाई फदे नेक्स्ट हेल्थ एजुकेशन हाबदी अखना मसी यामना आंगांग अमबु मसा मउ फनबगी दमकता यामना तंगाई फदे अखोय समाज अमा फबा हाबसे अफबा आंगांग मयाम अमा दरकार लै अफबा आंगांग सिंग हाबदी हिरंग खुदिंग मक्ता मागी फिजिकली स्ट्रांग ओइबा मेंटली स्ट्रांग ओइबा एंड देन सोशली सो यामना सोशेबल सु ओइबा एंड देन मोरली यामना स्टेबल ओइबा नसिंग बसिंग असini aduna health education asisu akoina value based education phangnabagi damakta value education asi phangnabagi damakta akoina tongan ba physical activities sing physical exercising and not only indoor this not physical exercising not only this indoor and the outdoor games sing tongan ba magi stage of education ga sana ba maung da happy duna angang sing sige masa ma u phaba health ki value sing ase khanghan na ba khone school curriculum da health education su tangai fadana hapa darkar tai and next community service program School tamliba angang singda magi community magi society bu gi oiba thabak thoram sing haibadi community gi social service community gi helping akhoi gi awa ana tarba kanda akhoi help tawba gumba community gi tongan ba event singda saruk yaba ngamba aduga gi yaba adugumba activities sing ase happy duna community survey khangde akoina community gi tonga relation phahanna bagi damakta adugumba community ga relation phahanba darkar lai because akoina community have say akoina that we belong akoina laijariba community asigi damakta akoigi community da laijariba mi sing amadi aiga lainariba mari ase mayek sengna khangba ngangna ga bagi damakta akoina angang sing asida community service program sing ase magi level magi stage ka sanaba mo ongda hafasu yamna darkar tai Next, training in organized group activity. Haibadi, aikoina school tamliba angang singi damakta tongan ba group activities sing haibadi aikoina maming tanaraba Red Cross and NCC girls and Scout and Girls Guide first aid training asigumba tongan ba training program sing asida masagi participation masagi leadership quality na sing ba tongan ba sing ase lainaba gi damakta asigumba organized activities sing asida angang sing chuba participate tawhan ba yaba gi room ase aikoina curriculums da or as a co-curricular activities ama oina hapa yamna darkar tai hariba activities sing asida participate tauba asina angang sing asida right sense of value habase compulsory inculcate tauba ngangani and next training in good citizenship training means a democratic member of the society a democracy chatpa laibak amagi democratic citizen amani haibagi wakhalon ase leihan ba darkar tai masna takpadi akoida leadership leihan ba akoida masagi rights and duties khanghan ba haibani so that asi khangba galoina na angang aduna ngasagi democratic values sing adusu akoina develop tawba ngani democratic values haibadi liberty equality justice and fraternity haiba yamna phajaraba democracy gi values sing ase soidana maki inculcate tawba ngani haibasne and next and education for leisure is also important akoina angang sing asibu makhoi gi asangba makhoi gi confident oiba matamda tawbaya bathabak matam bulik na season hanba matangi value khangba ngamna bagi damakta punsigi kai hani hauhiba matam sing asibu aikoina mapung phana yamna useful oiba maongda yamna productive oiba maongda amadi yamna valuable oiba maongda season bayana ba tongan ba activities sing haibadi manual work kumba adagi hand work kumba crafts work kumba needle work kumba tongan ba leisure time da time pass ki damakta season makoina shortly or long term oina sizina bayaba tauba yaba activities na sing ase akhina school gi curriculum sing asida happy duna akhina matangi value khanghan ba punsigi mamal khanghan ba na singba qualities mayam ama develop tawba ngamhangani aduna hairiba lessons sing asi punna khangminnabaga loinana ngasigi di matang asida loisinminna na batanja adu lawminase